Hey, good morning, Facebook. Shane here with Century 21. It is Monday morning. We're a little early, so normally 8:15 is when we start, but we thought, hey, let's get started early. I'm here with Andrew from Dacotah Bank, and that means it's the Monday morning mortgage tip. So this morning with Andrew, he'll talk a little bit about the pre-qualification and maybe some options that works good for you guys to maybe look into before you jump into that home ownership program there. So Andrew, thanks for having me, and I'll pass it over to you.
Yes, thanks Shane for letting me discuss today. So what I find a lot of times is the first step to make sure you can qualify for that new home is to talk about that pre-qualification process. Making sure you're doing your research, because a lot of creditors have different loan products available, but some of them that maybe you might qualify for, they don't carry. So it's really good to have that discussion with your lender to ensure, is there any other products that maybe you don't offer that is something I should look into? Especially first-time home buyer, any of the government programs, rural development, FHA, as well as VA. My goal is I don't want you to come back 6 months to a year later and say, hey, how come you didn't tell me about this program? I think I might have qualified. So really doing your homework ahead of time, but really the pre-qualification process is to make sure that before you go find that dream home that you fall in love with, we make sure we run those numbers and that you truly can afford it, and then what that payment would be. So as part of your team, myself as your lender and Shane as your realtor, we're working together as your team to make sure that this home buying process is smooth and efficient as possible. So really that first step, getting that pre-qualification letter, and then I can give that to you, give it to Shane, and Shane can start showing you some of those homes that are in that price point that we've discussed.
Perfect. Really good tip. Monday morning mortgage tip with Andrew from Dacotah Bank. I'll have all of his information, contact information. Usually it's above or on the side or below, somewhere in there. So depending on if you're on a mobile or desktop. So thank you again, Andrew.
Yeah, thanks, Shane.
It's great information. And sorry for the glare, guys. We got two of us here today that are glaring you down here. But
at least we match, right?
We match, yeah. Twins today. So thanks again for watching. Until next Monday, enjoy your week, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks again.
Thanks.